Mga ka-rest day, today, ibang level na adventure to. Hindi na natin kailangan lumipad sa Africa, kasi dito sa Cebu, mararanasan natin ang totoong African safari vibe. Wide grasslands, wild animals roaming free. Let's go! Let's explore Cebu Safari at Adventure Park. Pagpasok pa lang, ang fresh, ang linas, at ang laki ng lugar. Sabi ko agad, Kay, legit talaga. Safari talaga vibes dito. So tara, una nating puntahan, African Savannah. Mga ka-rest day.
Antelopes are Bovidae family, so family of Nocturne as well. Okay, so right side ninyo, those with grayish color, ng mga carabaos, those are the wildebeest. So ang wildebeest, they can run 80 kilometers per hour. Same speed as the lions, pero no using of flash photography, and please do not reach out or touch the animals. They will class A, and you can stand if the trap is fully stopped, so you can see the animals better. Okay, so on your left side, you can stand better. And they also belong to the same family as the horses. Kaya parents kay foreigners.
Ng ride, sobrang sarap I enjoy. Next stop, giraffe feeding. Guys, ang cute nilang kumain. At ang gentle, parang gusto nila ng selfie with you. Isa to sa favorite ko, super fun. From cute, lilipat tayo sa intense, tiger turf. Grabe yung presence ng tigers, ang lalaki, ang angas ng tingin. Nakakakaba pero ang ganda panoorin. This is one of the best spots dito, promise. Syempre di mawawala, the bird show. Sobrang entertaining, lalo na pag dumadaan ng birds sa ibabaw mo. Kung kasama mo family or kids, siguradong matutuwa sila dito.
Oh, may plus ka wala.
So we have a lot of glorious, the lucky glorious, and the channeling glorious. And tonight before we marvel, we are here to symbol of blood and peace. Prosperity and harmony, our group of teachers. And always the serenity, and your journey, my
Gulat ako sa. Ayun, makikit nila.
Ang daming pwedeng gawin dito, mga ka-rest day. From safari ride, animal encounters, shows, hanggang nature spots. Sulit na sulit. So ayun, our Cebu Safari Adventure. Kung nag-enjoy ka sa tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you sa next rest day adventure.